Why to use encrypted video lectures in classes. Encrypted video lectures can provide an effective and secure way for teachers to deliver educational content to their students. With the use of encryption software, teachers can protect their video lectures from unauthorized access and sharing, ensuring that only the intended audience has access to the content. Here are some of the benefits of using encrypted video lectures for classes. Security. Encryption software ensures that the video lectures are protected from unauthorized access and sharing, making it a secure way for teachers to deliver sensitive or confidential information to their students. Convenience. Encrypted video lectures allow students to access the content at any time and from any location, making it a convenient way for teachers to deliver educational material. Engagement. Video lectures can be engaging and interactive, helping to keep students interested and motivated in the material. Accessibility. Encrypted video lectures can be made accessible to all students, regardless of their physical location or ability to attend in-person classes. Customization. Encrypted video lectures can be customized and tailored to meet the specific needs and learning styles of individual students or groups of students. When creating encrypted video lectures for classes, it is important to choose encryption software that provides strong encryption, is user-friendly, and meets the specific needs of your classes. Additionally, it is important to ensure that students have access to the necessary hardware and software to view the encrypted video lectures. In conclusion, encrypted video lectures can provide a secure, convenient, and engaging way for teachers to deliver educational content to their students. By using encryption software, teachers can ensure that their video lectures remain confidential and accessible to only the intended audience.